Designing used to mean choosing from what was already made. Not anymore. In this walkthrough, we're building two custom wedding bands from scratch, his and hers, using our ring configurator. 6 steps, total creative control, and a live 3D preview that updates as you go. Let's build something worth wearing forever. The profile step. This is where the rings take shape, literally. You'll notice we can switch between the hers and his ring at any time using the toggle at the top right. Each ring is configured independently. First, choose the band profile, semi-round, flat or court, which determines how the ring feels on the finger. Then, dial in the width and height in millimeters to get the exact look and weight you want. Wider bands make a bolder statement. Thinner ones are more delicate and understated. Finally, set the finger size. We support US, EU, UK, and Asian sizing standards, so no matter where you're based, the fit is precise. Once you're happy with both rings, move on to the design step. Step is where you really start to make the ring your own. This is the design panel, and it controls how the metal colors are distributed across the band. You can choose from 1, 2, or 3 colors. A single color ring is timeless and classic. 2 colors, say yellow gold and white gold, gives you a stunning contrast, and 3 colors adds even more personality. Once you've chosen your color count, you set the proportions, equal halves, or a 1:2 split, or whatever ratio suits your taste. The split style controls how those colors meet. Straight is clean and modern. Diagonal adds a dynamic twist. Wavy gives a more organic, flowing feel. Where the colors meet, you can add a groove. We offer V-groove, U-groove, or a square groove, or none at all if you prefer a seamless join. You can fine-tune the groove width and depth with the sliders, and choose a finish of polished or matte. There's also an option to keep the inside of the ring one color, a nice touch for comfort and a cleaner interior look. In the metal, we pin down the exact metal type, purity, and surface finish for each color in your design. Choose from yellow gold, white gold, rose gold, platinum, or silver. If you've gone with a 2-color design, you'll see a Metal 1 and Metal 2 tab. Set each one independently. For gold, select your purity. 14 karat for a durable everyday ring, or 18 karat for a richer color and higher gold content. Then pick your surface finish. Polished is the classic mirror shine. Hammered or hammered heavy adds texture and character. You can go with a brushed finish. Horizontal, 45-degree, or vertical, for a softer, satin look. Sanded and ice finishes round out the options for something more unique. The 3D preview updates live, so you can see exactly how these combinations look together. The stone lets you add gemstones, or keep things metal only if you prefer. It's completely optional. Start by selecting the gem type. Natural diamond is the default. GIA certified, with a live price per carat shown right on screen. You can also explore other stone types from the drop-down. Next, choose the placement. A single stone is a subtle, elegant accent, perfect for a men's band. A row all the way around creates a diamond eternity band. Half ring is a popular middle ground. You can also place stones by exact quantity or position each one manually for total control. For the setting, choose between rube over, also known as a bezel, which wraps the stone for a sleek, secure look, or prongs for a more traditional, open setting that maximizes light. Stone shape options include round, princess, emerald, and pear. Adjust the size with the slider and use the UV placement controls to position the stone exactly where you want it on the band. Engraving most personal touches you can add to a wedding ring. In this step, type your message into the text field, up to 20 characters, and watch it appear on the inside of the band in real time. Use the size slider to scale the engraving up or down, and the vertical alignment control to shift it up or down within the band, useful for narrow rings or specific placements. Choose from 5 font styles. Great Vibes for an elegant flowing script, Classic Serif for timeless formality, Modern Sans for something clean and contemporary, Elegant Script for romantic handwriting, or Typewriter for a bold vintage feel. This is the detail no one else will see. Just the two of you. The final is the review. This is your complete summary. Both rings side by side, with every detail you've configured. For each ring, you'll see the profile, dimensions, finger size, finish styles, metal colors, groove details, engraving, and stone specifications, including gem type, shape, size, carat weight, and cost per stone. The estimated weight in grams is shown for each ring, along with an individual ring price and the combined total at the bottom. If anything needs adjusting, hit Edit Design next to either ring and jump straight back to that step. When you're satisfied with everything, click Add to Cart, and your custom rings are on their way to being made. Every ring ships free, comes with a 30-day return window, and is backed by a lifetime warranty. And that, your rings, built exactly the way you imagined them. Every detail, every millimeter, every metal, chosen by you. From profile to engraving, nothing is left to chance. Want to offer this experience to your customers? Contact us and we'll get it set up on your website.